no hands TikTok trend, which is probably one of the easiest trends ever. So this tutorial is going to be very quick. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications. It would be amazing. And also follow me on TikTok. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe our forehead, and then we're going to cross our arms. Just like that. So 1, 2, and then we're going to show our hands. So our palms are going to be facing towards us, and we're going to just move our fingers a little bit. Just like that. So once again, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do the jig, which is this move. 1, 2. So I'm going to explain quickly how to do it. Basically, it's just a circle with our shoulders. So first we're going to the right, and then when we are facing towards the center with our shoulders, we're going to stop and we're going to go back. And then we're going to go to the other side, center, then we stop and go back. So basically, slow, it's going to look like this. 1 and then 2. And then we're going to do it a little bit faster. 1, 2. Perfect. So once we do this, then we're going to roll our arms and we're going to step 1, 2, and then we're going to do the dice roll. So basically we're just rubbing our hands and stepping forward. Just like that. When we step forward, our left arm is straight, our hands are our fists, and then our right hand goes 1, 2. And then for our legs to do this, basically it's just like a small jump. So we're going to step on our left leg, and then we're going to step forward with our right leg. So basically, it's just like this. 1. Once again, 1. Just that the step doesn't have to be too big. So just like this. 1. And that's it. That's the dash roll. So now we already know the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the beginning twice. First, we're going to do it slow. Then we're going to do it faster. And that's it. You're already done. So let's go. Wipe. Cross. Hands. 1, 2. Roll. Step. Step. Dice roll. Step. Perfect. And now we're going to do the same thing but faster. Let's go. Wipe. Cross. Hands. 1, 2. Roll. Step. Step. Dice roll. Step. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.